This is Elizabeth, and welcome back to GrowthWheel Online. In this video, we are looking at the growth plan and how we can define our ambitions and track the outcomes we've accomplished. Clicking on Growth Plan, you will automatically be taken to the 30, 60, 90 days action plan. We'll cover that in another video. Instead, click on Ambitions on the far left of the sub-menu. You may or may not have any ambitions already listed here by your GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor. Here we don't have any listed, so let's click on the green Plus Ambition button. Whether you call them dreams, goals, targets, objectives, or something else, your ambitions are those big things we want to achieve, and if it's worth achieving, it's worth writing down. Maybe in this example, we want to increase our revenue by 25%. Let's click on the blue Operations circle. Now we can select Revenue Growth. We can also add a description that adds more details about our ambition. Next, let's select the quarter and year when we would like to achieve this ambition. You'll notice that you cannot select past years because we are setting ambitions for the future. If you want more time, you can save this as a draft, which means that only you can see it. Let's reopen this ambition, save and share it with our advisor. We can choose to notify our advisor with an email or simply save it. You can always open the ambition at a later time to notify your advisor. Let's add a few more ambitions that we want to achieve. Your GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor can guide you through your goal-setting process. In general, we only want to set 5 to 10 big ambitions for any given year. Too many, and it will be difficult to stay focused. Now that we have a few ambitions, we can track them with a simple traffic light system. Green means it's on track, yellow, in progress, and red shows it's a challenge. We can click on the word challenge to see the ones we are struggling with the most first. Let's open the ambition we're struggling with. Now we can click on the green plus Decision Action button to add some decisions or actions we need to make or take that will help move us from red to yellow to green. These decisions or actions will automatically go onto our 30, 60, 90 days action plan. Now let's click on Outcomes on the far right of the submenu bar. Outcomes are those ambitions we've already achieved. You may have a few listed here by your business advisor or not. Let's click on the green plus Outcome button and create an outcome. This is a great way to celebrate your victories. Maybe we launch a new service or product. We can give this a title, select the yellow Business Concept circle, and then select Product Launch as our category. If your outcome doesn't automatically fit into a category, you can always select Other. We can give this a description to explain our outcome more fully and select the quarter and year when we achieve this. You'll notice that you cannot choose a year in the future. We're tracking what we've already accomplished. Now we can select the type of outcome. Results are outcomes that have numbers attached to them. Achievements are more qualitative. If you aren't sure, ask your GrowthWheel Certified Business Advisor to help you. Our product launch is an achievement. We can save this as a draft or save and share it with our advisor. And we can notify our advisor or skip that, knowing that we can always go back and notify them later. Let's create another outcome. Maybe we received a loan for our business. That's a great outcome that needs to be tracked. We'll add a descriptive title, select the blue Operations circle, and select Loan Capital as a category. We can provide a description and select the quarter and year when we received the loan. When it comes to this type of outcome, this one has a number associated with it, so it's a result. You'll notice that as soon as we click Result, a new field called Amount pops open. Here we can add the number. Now that we've completed this, we can click Save and Share. Now when we download our growth plan, we can select the pages we want. Here we want to add in our ambitions for the future and the outcomes we've already achieved. So that's how we can define our ambitions and track our outcomes on the growth plan. In the next video, we'll take a look at the 30, 60, 90 days action plan in the growth plan. Until then, this is Elizabeth with GrowthWheel, and I'll see you soon.